Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to delay the delivery of the emails in Microsoft Outlook in 2026. Now this feature actually lets you schedule your emails to send later instead of instantly. So let's walk through it step by step. First of all, you need to open Outlook. Once you are inside, simply click on the option of new email. Over here, you need to start composing your message. So here in the to section, simply provide the email of your recipient, then add the subject. After that, in the body, you just have to type the message. So once you have done that, simply click on the option of the options here on the top. Over here, look for the option of the delay delivery. So if you are not able to see it here, you can click on this drop down menu right next to the send option. Over here you are going to see the option of schedule send. So here you can select when do you want to actually schedule it. So click on the edit icon. From the calendar, select the day on which you want to send the email. You can also select the time. Afterwards, click on the option of send, and this particular email will be scheduled and it will be sent to the person whom you want to send it to on that particular date and the time at which it is basically scheduled. So this way you will be able to delay your emails in Microsoft Outlook. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.